morning. Today I'm going to be talking about the legal and ethical considerations. This is my final vlog of this part of the unit. In the TV and film industry, there are many different laws that have been made up of contracts, ethics and legal rights. In this report I'm going to discuss and express those rights in detail. When talking about the legal and ethics side of the TV and film industry, you need to consider the following things. You need to consider the equal opportunities of the people, the employer's liability, the employee rights, the trade union of the employees, the intellectual property, most importantly, copyright, the trademarks, confidentiality, the exclusivity, and the laws and legislations, employee legislations, and a connection of all the laws that keep employers safe from discrimination against things such as sexism, racism, homophobia and age. There's 4 things that are mainly discriminated. This also makes sure that employees are working in a safe workplace that is comfortable and free from danger. This also keeps the personal information of the employees safe and confidential. These laws are presented by the Acts that include guidelines to make sure all the laws are abided by. The Acts are the Employment Rights Act, I did not get the year for this, the Sexual Discrimination Act 1975, the Equal Pay Act 1970, the Race Relations Act 1976, the Disability Discrimination Act 1995, the National Minimum Wage Act 1998, the Working Time Directive 1999, and the Employment Reactions Act 1999. These laws are kept in place by the codes of patience, which are rules that are set by the head of the company you are working for, which states how you can act in your workplace. If these rules are not followed, then it will not look good on the company, and the disciplinary will be in place for the person who has broken those rules. The disciplinary normally consists of warnings being given to the employee, and once they have had a certain amount of warnings, they will be fired. So that's my legal and ethical considerations of the film and work industry. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next part of the unit.